Hi guys, I was not planning on going live today, actually 2 days from now, but my latest find came 2 days early. So I figured I'm in the middle of installation. Why not share it with you guys? I have been on an epic quest. Oh my God, my kid's coming up. What is with virtual learning? They're supposed to be in class right now. Oh, yes. That's great, honey.
Okay, I'll be downstairs watching my iPad, okay?
Okay, kiddo.
You know this.
All right. Love you. I swear, I never know when he's going to get kicked off of virtual learning or not. So I'm trying to schedule these lives right in between, snack time and class and then lunch and then class and then break time and then class. I swear. Anyway, sorry for the interruption. Anyway, yes. So why am I here? Once again, Facebook Live. I'm obviously very smooth about this. My latest find again is my mirrored jewelry armoire, guys. So I am actually in my new Maryland closet. This is the most grown-up closet I've ever had in my entire life. It's actually kind of like a little room, and I'm actually going to be able to put a piece of furniture here eventually, but it had no mirror in here. We need one. And I also have been on this epic quest of trying to organize and store my jewelry. I've been doing so very unsuccessfully for the last 3 decades. And anyway, I'm hoping that this will be my final and last jewelry armoire. So again, yes, we needed a full-length mirror. This takes care of 2 birds with 1 stone. Watch this. It's not been installed yet, guys. I'm going to install that with you. Fingers crossed it's going to work out. But just to show you the inside. So this mounts on the wall. I actually provided a link to this product in the subject title of this live in case you're interested in checking it out yourself. There are many different types of models. It mounts on the wall. It also can be hung on the back of a door. They provide you hardware for both options, which is really nice. So when you open it, I'm sorry, bear with me. Sorry to turn my back to you guys. This is the inside, guys. Do you see that? This is how I'm going to store all of my junky jewelry, and hopefully it'll be out of sight. It'll also allow me, to buy more without my husband knowing it, because I'll just stash it behind our mirror. What do you think of that plan? All right, so that's what I got. Again, the link to this product is in the description title of this live in case you want to get one for yourself. There are some that come with LED lights, so you have more lighting. I probably should have gotten that because our lighting in here, as you can see, just stinks. But anyway, I'm happy with it. So I'm going to install it. And before I do, I think I should reintroduce myself. I'm Kristen LeDuc, owner of Porch Nook, a decorative paint business located in Urbana, Maryland. We moved from California about 2 months ago. And California, I'm sure, is on top of your mind as well as mine. Just want to have a shout out to all of my California friends who I'm thinking of every day. Please shout out in comments. Let me know that if you're actually seeing me. That would be great. Hey, Rosie. Yay, Rosie. How are you, honey? It's good to see you. Give me a shout out. Throw me an emoji. Let me know if you can actually see me. All right. I'm going to start installing, guys. And I'm going to just show you just a couple of lazy tricks that I do before I hang a heavy piece, a wall piece by myself. I do something that's really lazy, but also really easy to help the process. All right. So what I do, and if I'm lucky enough to have a piece to help me do this, I don't like measuring from the ceiling or from the floor in order to figure out how to align my screws with the installed hardware, hanging hardware. What I like to do, let me know and give me a thumbs up if you like this idea. I place the item on a table or a chair that's roughly the height that is ideal. And I do all my measurements off the table, right? I'm not using a tape measure yet. So I get a table. This is roughly the height that I like. I actually trace around the edge of the piece to give me the border with a pencil, because obviously, you can just erase it after you're done. Then I remove it. And from there, I actually then can measure where each hole goes based on the line that I just drew on the perimeter of my piece. All right. I've already pre-drilled my holes, which I'm glad I did because you guys, Tell me if anyone else deals with this. When you're dealing with pre-drilling holes for your anchor inserters, sometimes my drill like skirts to the side a little bit because the drill bit, you know, just kind of pushes it off to the side, and you kind of mess up your measurement by maybe like a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch. So after you pre-drill your holes, do another measurement just in case if your drill bit kind of skirted you one side or the other. That'd be great. Oh, Bonnie Adario is here, guys. Bonnie, how are you? I'm installing a Armoire mirror monstrosity in our closet. All right, here we go. So now I'm going to, where are they? Here we are. I'm just going to hammer in my anchors. I already have one anchor hammered in. I'm just going to hammer in the next one. Again, the only time I've used a measuring tape is just when I tried to figure out where my holes should go, based on where they provided me the mounting hardware here on the back, you see. And it's important, you guys, here's another tip, measure each hole separately. Never assume that the hole and the hanging hardware is in the exact same location on both sides. What I mean by that, I had to make sure that it was 3 inches down and 1.5 inches to the side. And luckily I did the same thing here, and I found out this was off by like 1/8 of an inch. So it's important to do each one, just in case. Hey, oh, I'm grossy. I'm glad you like it. That's so great. All right, so my 2 anchors are in. Now I'm gonna just drill in my screws real quick. I'm really nervous because I don't know if this is gonna work out. Where's my drill? There we go. There is also no air circulation in here, guys, so I'm a little bit warm and breathy. Sorry about that. Bonnie, oh good. Bonnie, I'm actually surprised. You need to hit the mountains, Bonnie. I saw it all in the news. I saw pictures from friends, Bonnie. I mean, I thought about you and your lung. You take care of yourself. All right, screwing in the screw mount here. That may be a little bit too much. You guys, Bonnie Adario, the original founder of the Bonnie Adario Lung Cancer Foundation, amazing woman. Feel free to reach out to her at any time if you are navigating lung cancer or if a family member is navigating lung cancer. But she actually merged them with another organization, and they are now the Go-To Lung Cancer Foundation. Amazing group. All right, so my anchors are in. I really hope this is going to work out. Here we go. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready for this, because I'm not. Here we go. All right, so in the kit, again, they give you all the hardware for hanging this up, but they also provide you hardware to hang this on the back of your door. And again, you guys, oh, I see a bunch of you popping up. Some newbies. This is actually a jewelry armoire that's also a full-length mirror. But in the hardware, they also include, and I want to do this now. This is a 2-sided adhesive strip that you actually place on the bottom of your case. I'm actually going to put it on right now. It's because it helps the piece from not sliding back and forth while it's mounted on the wall, or even on the door when it's hanging on the door. Does that make sense? There we go. I'm only going to adhere it down here. So I'm going to put it on the piece right now. I'm not going to remove my other strip yet because I'm not ready. I'm not ready to commit. I'm having commitment issues. I want to mount my piece first before taking off the final strip to expose the adhesive that's actually going to stick on the wall. Does that make sense? So hold on to that. Don't do that yet. So what's also nice about mounting really heavy wall art or wall pieces, you can also use this piece that you're using for aligning and measuring your holes. You also use it to help you actually hold on to the piece while you mount it onto the wall by yourself. You know, girl power. We can do it all ourselves. My husband, once I came home and I mounted like these 5 huge, massively very heavy wood pieces on a wall all by myself. And I did it all with using chairs. It was amazing. He was amazed. All right, here we go. Oh, I'm nervous. So nervous. Am I going to be able to do this? I need my glasses. Here are my glasses. I feel like, oh, Facebook Live. You're making me nervous. You know what? I'm going to expose my, I'm going to take out my screws just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hashtag real life. Hold on. This thing is heavy. Sometimes when the screws are too close to the wall, it's hard to get them latched onto the piece. There we go. Is that good? No, one more. There we go. All right. Whew. Here we go. Oh. I'm going by touch here. Is it even? Now this is where, there it is. Oh. Are you guys just waiting for something to crash down? I swear, I hope this is going to work. Again, this is real life. And there's one. Oh, there's one. There's two. Oh, we got it. We got it. Oh, I hope we got it. Because I'm letting go. Oh, this could either be really great or really, like, devastating. Oh, here we go. Yes. Yeah, I never doubted myself for a second. Okay, so it's mounted. It's sturdy. I'm loving it. So again, this is a jewelry armoire, full-length mirror, guys. I'm hoping it's the answer to all my problems. The life of a suburban housewife. I know. So I can't wait to start populating it with my jewelry and getting the clutter taken care of. I'm going to remove that, remember that that adhesive strip I put on the bottom? That's included in the kit. I'm going to remove the little final, whoa, don't do that. Just gotta be patient. Tap into my inner grasshopper and be patient. Peel back that final piece of the adhesive so it sticks to the wall. Got it. Whoa. There. So that'll keep it from sliding. See? Oh, I'm excited. All right, these pieces also come with a mirror protective film. Do not remove this film until you're totally installed, guys. You don't want to crack or scratch anything. Shall I peel back the plastic? It's kind of like DIY porn when you peel back things. It's like, ooh, final product. So exciting. Here we go. Oh, yes. Ooh, yeah. Oh, this is so great. So there are many different brands and models. They're essentially the same thing. I went with a borderless piece. There is a faux wood paneling that actually matches the wood in my shelving here in my closet, so that's why I went with it. There are some that had LED lights in them. Kind of wish I got one with LED lights, but I really wanted more depth. The ones with the LED lights had less depth in the case, so I thought that was more important. Yeah. All right, guys, so if you're interested in a solution similar to this, I did provide you guys a link in the description title of this live. It'll direct you to Amazon. It'll give you the same product, but you'll find that there are many other types of cases like this that are just so slightly different. So you're gonna have a lot of chances to customize it. You know, it's best to your needs. There are also different woods. I went with white because everything else around here is white. So, All right, you guys, I'm gonna go because my kid's done with virtual schooling for the day. I thought he would be on longer. You guys take care. My friends in California. Still, I love to hear from you guys. Let me know if, you know, if you need to stay in Maryland for a while for a good breath of fresh air. Okay? All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.